offence under section 125 of the CrPC. The apex court has in fact gone on to say that whatever the religion is, Muslim women can take benefit of this section. And another important observation coming in from the Supreme Court is that secular law will prevail over the Muslim women and protection of rights on the Divorce Act. Remember, this stands for the cases prior to 1st of July, which will be tried under the old laws. So clearly, changes are now beginning to happen. Let's quickly go across to Ananya Bhattacharya, who's joining me on the phone line. Ananya, how significant is this observation coming in from the apex court? What will this mean now for the future course of law, especially when it comes to the Muslim law?
Well, definitely, it's a big win coming in for the Muslim women, and it is in fact a big win when it comes to the laws as well, because the Supreme Court has basically said that section 125 of the CrPC with regards to maintenance can actually be used by Muslim women as well, because remember, until now what used to happen was that the Muslim Women Protection of Marriage Act was the one that was actually the superior one. However, the Supreme Court today held that secular law would prevail over this Muslim law, and that's a bigger contention when it comes to this whole alumni thing. And now the Supreme Court has very clearly stated that Muslim women can file a claim for maintenance under section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, that is CrPC, against a former husband. This was a bench headed by Justice Nagarathna and Augustine Masih, who pronounced separate verdicts. However, the judgments were concurring and upheld that a Muslim woman's right after a Muslim man challenges this was when a man from the challenge the Telangana High Court ordered direction to pay 10,000 of interim maintenance to his former wife. The Supreme Court said, we are hereby dismissing the criminal appeal with the major conclusion that section 125 of the CrPC would be applicable to all women and not just married women, is what in fact Justice Nagarathna had gone on to say.
All right, so applied to all women, including Muslim women and even those who are not married. Many thanks to you, Ananya. Quite a significant verdict coming in over there from the apex court. We'll continue to bring you more breaking input. Stay tuned to CNN News 18. We'll be back after a quick break.